Evening all. Here we've got the Jensen 5 that Owen renovated for me in Massachusetts, and we're going to give him a try. First time ever on steam. And you don't get much better than that. There's Bernie's chuff pot doing its job. We'll go over here and turn down the voltage. We'll go down to 50% and see what happens. Running full speed, nice and steady. Let's try the whistle. That was very good. Got to do that again. Once more for Clinton. I'm very happy with that. Look at that shine. Look, you can see Bugsy in there. Thanks, Owen. That's a bloody ripper, as you say in Australia. Full speed. Very nice. I'll let him run for a while. It's running on half power now. It's turned down to about 110 volts. You can see there. 50%. Yes, we've got a winner. Thanks for watching.